present and simple past of the verb to be. The form of to be in the affirmative. Noun or pronoun plus be plus the noun phrase or adjective. For example, I am a college graduate. They are married. Pronouns used with be often become contractions. I am becomes I'm. You are becomes your. He is becomes he's. She is becomes she's. It is becomes its. We are becomes we're. They are becomes their. The form of to be in the negative. The noun or pronoun plus be plus not. For example, I'm not a very good dancer. He isn't very outgoing. The negative contractions. I am not becomes I'm not. You are not becomes you aren't. He or she is not becomes he or she isn't. It is not becomes it isn't. We are not becomes we aren't. And they are not becomes they aren't. The form of to be, question. To form questions using to be, we invert the noun or pronoun and the verb. For example, I am becomes am I? Are you? Is he, she, or it? Are we? Are they? The past simple of to be. The past simple form of to be uses the same construction as the present simple, but with was and were. For example, I was in basketball when I was younger. They were in Seattle last summer.